Hello, I'm Nora, and I'm doing an Aki volunteering travel in different countries around the world. And now I'm totally excited to announce that I will be participating in Renature's Amazonia Changemaker Agroforestry workshop. As the name says, this is for changemakers. Why do I think it's important to be a changemaker? Because I think there is no other solution, there's no other option. Or you change, or we all will go to a catastrophic situation and the way that we are going. So, agroforestry and regenerative agroforestry is crucial in the scope of all the solutions that we are having to face this climate catastrophe. So, I really happy to go there because it combines knowledge of indigenous leaders and agroforestry experts in a wonderful place that is just in the middle of the Amazonas in near Manaus. So it has everything to make me be a real change maker. See you there.